Welcome to my channel. How to log into 192.168.100.1 and reset your router password. Step 1. Connect your device to the router. Connect your computer, laptop, or smartphone to the router using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Make sure the connection is active. Step 2. Open your web browser. Open any web browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Step 3. Type 192.168.100.1 in the address bar. Type http://192.168.100.1 and press enter. The router login page should appear. Step 4. Enter your login details. Type the router's username and password. If you haven't changed them, use the default credentials printed on the router label or in the user manual. Step 5. Click the Login button. Click Login or Sign in to access the router's admin dashboard. Step 6. Go to Administration or Management. From the dashboard, open the Administration, Management, or System menu where the admin password settings are located. Step 7. Select Change Password. Click Change Password or Admin Password to open the password settings page. Step 8. Enter a new password. Create a strong password using a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm the new password by entering it again. Step 9. Save the changes. Click Save, Apply, or Update. The router may restart or log you out after saving the new password. Step 10. Log in with the new password. Open 192.168.100.1 again and sign in using your new password to confirm the password has been changed successfully. Thanks for watching.